He's dead. Still going. Back up the hill. I got him, but he's still crawling. He's up. He got back up. I hit him in the back end. He must got himself gathered back up.
Tell you what, that's some pretty running right there.
I can't believe that rabbit got up and run.
You sure you didn't hit that pop dog? I got to get away from you so I can kill some rabbits.
Yeah. Did you go to confession on Sunday?
Yeah,
Huh?
I did. I'm gonna be back.
That rabbit's gonna survive.
This one had a broken back.
They got him. Bring it here, Walker. Here, Jenny, no. Come here, Jenny. Come on, Walker. Bring it here, boy. Good doggy, Walker. Good girl, Sue. Good boy, Walker. Good boy. Good boy, Walker. Good doggy. Good doggy. That's a good boy. Put it down now. Put it down. Did you see what he did, Pete?
He's still hit, man.
He's hit.
Yeah, I see him.
He's got to be hit.
Oh, that's what you said last time. Get him, boy. Get him.
Work for him, Tyler. I got.
He got out of there.
You dirty dog. Good girl, Sue. Good girl. You need a drink of water, but I don't have none of that. Come on, Walker! Bring it here, boy. Good boy, Walker. Good boy. Good doggy. Good doggy. Come on, Walker. Good boy. Good boy. Good doggy, Walker. got him. Deadly, isn't he, Gene?
There we go.
It's still alive.
Deer coming up here. You thought they could have run that deer better than that, couldn't you?
I'm telling you, if the dogs come from in there behind it, they're gonna get burnt all the way to the truck.
Yeah, they're not running that deer. If they can't run that
They'd
deer any
rather
better than
that.
that, I'd just let them go on with it.
All that time, and I still missed him.
I knew it would.
How in the world did I miss that?
18. He's still there. You must have hit him. He's running, he's running. Get around the corner. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him.
Oh, you went, hey! Come down towards you, Mark! Yeah! Where did he go?
Yeah, she's here, Jane. Yeah, I actually hit that thing, but it's still running. Knocked it clear down the hill. Oh, it's a big rabbit. That's amazing, these rabbits up here this year. He's still alive, isn't he? Did you get him?
Yeah,
It moved.
it did. You saw. Yeah,
He got him, Donnie. He claimed he was moving.
he stopped there.
I don't know, Donnie. Look at the hair.
No, he stopped behind that tree.
I don't know, Donnie. No, I don't know.
Up, that's all.
Now, how much? You know they can't walk, don't you, Ron?
Yeah.
That's what Pete says. Come on, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him.
I didn't want to shoot that close.
Good boy, Walker. Bring it here. Good boy. Bring it here. Good doggy. Good doggy. Bring it here. Good boy.